Good morning, everyone. So there are many good reasons to pay your taxes, and I just found another one. So when you turn 65, every Canadian gets old age security, okay, or OAS. And regardless of your income, you get it, but not regardless of your income, do you get to keep it. So if you make too much money, you have to pay that OAS back. It's called OAS clawback, okay? And it's something that your accountants will take into consideration when they are tax planning for you, how much money to take from your corporations, all that kind of good stuff, okay? Or at least they should be. Now, I just found another really good reason to make sure your taxes are paid. And on top of that, make sure that your tax payments are going to the proper account. Let me explain. So one of our clients had taxes owing for the 2022 year end, and he did pay those taxes, but instead of those taxes going on to his 2022 tax owing, the CRA, and whether this is a banking error on his part or whether this is a CRA error, we're not sure, it went to his installment account instead. Okay, so now it showed that he had a large installment credit, which he doesn't need installments for the 2023 year end based on the extraordinary income that he had in 2022, but then it shows that he owed taxes for 2022 still. Okay, so he was getting interest on that, $900 worth of interest. So I'd advised him to phone the CRA and make sure that they switch those installment payments over to the interest side, or sorry, switch those installment payments over to the tax side of things that he owed for 2022 to get rid of that interest, because it will retroactively get rid of interest. So that saved him about $900. But what I learned was if you owe taxes from prior years and you collect OAS, they will take your OAS money and keep all of it. They're going to keep all of it for your taxes or for your installments for the next year. Okay, I didn't know that. So that was new. So, but that doesn't mean you don't get credit for those installments. Sorry, that doesn't mean you don't get credit for that OAS. Okay, so what happens is, on the AOAS, it's going to show that you received that money, but then all of it was then deducted as tax. Okay, you can always tell the government to deduct all of your OAS as tax if that's the situation that you want, but you don't have to. But in this case, it's forced. Okay, so he owed taxes, so he had to relinquish his OAS payments in the form of tax payments. Okay, but now come tax time, he's going to get that money back because of his situation and because he has credit for it on his T4A. Okay, pay your taxes. There are more penalties to come from not paying your taxes than just interest. Okay, so I hope that helps. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, take care of your friends, and be well.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, all of which are linked in the description below. We're more than just an accounting firm. We do business consulting and media creation for our small businesses. Consider checking us out. It would really mean a lot. Hope to see you soon.